there is a person, if he is walking at 5 kilometers per hour, then he is reaching his factory late by 3 minutes. And when he is walking at 6 kilometers per hour, then he is reaching his factory 7 minutes early. So we have to find out distance between factory and the house. So let's assume that the distance is x and correct time is t. So we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, or we can say that distance upon speed is equal to time. So this is distance x and this is speed, so x upon 5 is equal to time. So time is how much? Correct time plus 3 minutes, and this we are converting into hours because the speed is in hours. Similarly, we'll work out second equation. Total distance is x divided by his speed 6 kilometer per hour is equal to correct time, but he's reaching early, so this correct time minus 7 minutes divided by 60. So these are the two equations. Now we'll solve them. So you just minus this equation from the one which is above, so you'll get this result: x upon 5 minus x upon 6 is equal to 10 by 60. So finally you'll get x by 30 is equal to 1 by 6 and x is equal to 5. That means distance of his factory and house is 5 kilometers. Answer is option C.